all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. I just wanna say na this next episode is my fourth week of my OJT, and sabihin na lang natin na yung laman ng video na to is um, ano, yung first week ng June, tapos bagong intro, bagong intro music, tapos ayun, yung first week ng June, second, third, fourth, and fifth as well. Tapos ayun, yung bagong outro, ewan, siguro. Ayun, so hindi ko na pahabain to kasi ayun nga. Ayun lang. It was 8 in the morning, and as you can see here, here's a random pic that I took from the vehicle, which this place was from the library hub from the main plaza of San Pablo City. It was 9:34 in the morning, and here's me doing some paperwork from the company. And it was the night, and I'm editing another shorts that I've already uploaded here on my YouTube channel.
Just as long as I'm
It was 9:16 in the morning, and as you can see here, I'm scanning some documents or some paperworks from the company. A little binge watching from yours truly, entitled Off Campus from Prime Video. It was 12:56 in the afternoon, and now I'm continuing some paperworks from the earlier. A little night binge watch from yours truly, 10 Things I Hate About You. It was a rom-com movie of the year 2000. A random yearn from me. um, by the way, as you can see in the picture, so here's some pictures or random rants that I've sent on Pinterest. And by the way, I'll send the link here below para nga magamit niyo yung mga random yearn ko from Pinterest. Thank you. A random pic that I took from San Pablo Central School. A little update from you guys. So here's me doing some work or paperwork from the company. A little QR, PH from Watson. It was 9:18 in the morning and here's me doing some paperwork from the company. A little reminder just in case. Here's a little pic that I've took from the San Pablo main plaza. And by the way, here's the Jollibee. Jollibee, baka naman. Hoy, hindi, eme. um, na-enjoy niyo naman yung vlog na to? If nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, comment down below kung ano yung magandang scene para sa inyo. Tapos if may suggestion kayo or recommendation na gusto niyo ipagawa sa akin, sige, gagawin natin for you, viewers. Oy. Sana na-enjoy nyo as much as I enjoy this week na to. Oo, ayan. So, parang hindi ko na siya papahabain. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I hope you give this diary a like, comment, share, and ayan. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. And until next time, see you. Bye.